Hey, this is Gary from 3Bug Media, and today I want to talk about video marketing ideas that you can implement for your local business. Now, video is really growing as a platform, and a lot of people prefer video over text these days. And it also has a lot of advantages over traditional blog post and text content. Number one, if you're creating a 2-minute video to explain something, it would probably take you 1,000 words to do the same thing in written format, and probably take you 10 times longer to do it. So video is quick and easy to create, and you can convey a message very quickly as opposed to trying to write it out. Also with video, whenever you create a video, you can get a lot of different uses out of it. You can put it on your website, you can put it on a YouTube channel, Facebook advertising, email marketing. There's tons of different uses for a single video that you create. So I want to give you a couple ideas of how you can incorporate video into your marketing plan. Number one, welcome videos. Welcome videos are great. So if somebody, you sign on a new client, new customer makes a purchase, somebody opts into your email list, you can even put them on your homepage, landing pages. Create a welcome email. It's a great way for you to start personalizing that relationship and let these people see the people behind the business. It helps to personalize that experience, and it helps to make your business more real. They can see the faces behind the business. Okay, so now they're doing business with a person as opposed to a business entity. Okay, number two, service and product pages. It's very hard to explain, especially if it's something a little more complex. It's very hard to explain what your product or service does in text format. Super easy. Create a video, let people see it in action. So let people see them using your product in the real world, you performing a service for somebody or somebody consuming your service. Seeing is believing, right? It's really easy. A 30-second video of your product or service in action goes a long way into people being able to understand what that product or service is all about. You can also talk about features, use cases, things like that to help explain to people of how they can consume this product or service. We started implementing these for a lot of clients, and conversion rates definitely go up when you can show your product or service in action. Q&A. Q&As are great. So you can do maybe a weekly video series where you get common questions that people ask you and you answer them in video format. You can put those in a Q&A section on your website. You can put them on YouTube. You can create a blog post around it, things like that, and get a lot of mileage. People are searching for questions and answers for your type of business. Doing a video response to it is a great way for SEO to get traffic. You can use it on YouTube, Facebook, lots of uses for Q&A type of videos. You can also do explainer videos. You can do an animated one, or you can just do a simple explainer video like this. You can do a whiteboard or a talking head video where you just talk and explain, give a detailed explanation of, that question. Team and staff. Like I said, with the welcome email, people want to see the faces behind the business. The more they can see the faces, the people behind the business, the more personalized, the better connection you're going to have with that customer. So let people see and hear your team. So do maybe profile videos of your team members, see them in action, see them doing work, things like that. It helps to personalize your business, and that's key for conversions, retention, things like that. Contact page. A lot of people don't think about this, but your contact page is a conversion page on your website. I guarantee you, if you look at your Google Analytics, you'll see a lot of people visit your contact page but never actually fill out the form. And think about that. If somebody goes to your contact page, they're thinking about contacting you. So if they don't contact you, it may mean that they changed their mind, they had second thoughts, things like that. Having a video on that page can go a long way into improving your conversion rates. So if somebody comes to your contact page, you can have a little video, almost like a welcome video, and just let them know, who we are, what we do, what's going to happen once you fill out the form, what the process looks like, things like that. And a short 30-second, 1-minute video can go a long way to improving your conversion rates for lead generation. Okay, so these are just a few ideas. There's lots of different ideas, but these are just a few easy ones that you can implement that can have an impact on your marketing plan. So if you have any questions, you can go to 3bugmedia.com. Thank you very much, and have a good day.